Hi, so I'm doing behind the scenes of my scrunchie business.
I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines.
So here is the bag of material my mum cut for me. She cuts most of it for me just because I can't seem to cut in a very straight line. I literally took all this material around my mum's and she cut them for me. It took her quite a while, but obviously I give her scrunchies in return. That's sort of what it starts off with. It's like a piece of material with a certain length, certain width. This is the little section which I do my scrunchies. It is a mess only because I have nowhere else to do it. I think I have two bags here full of material and bits and bobs like thread and everything like that, little mailer bags. So this is literally me sewing up some of my scrunchies. I literally just sew it up this way once with the sewing machine, the rest I do by hand. Then here I just kind of cut off all of the little scraggly like threads off the ends and turn it the right way around. I really struggle with this part actually. I have to use like scissors to sort of push it up, and then after that I sort of measure my elastic and pop my elastic in. Here are like some of the scrunchies I've made. This is a lovely blue velvet. I have some other velvets here. This is all the material that is everywhere. It makes such a mess. Here I'm just checking through an order just to make sure that I've got everything that I need. This is sort of the massive order that I had. Just making sure I go through all of that, and these are so cute. So this is like a little package and order with me. So obviously first, hand sanitizer. I literally have thread everywhere. But after that I get some tissue paper. I'm gonna cut in half because it's massive. This is what I like to wrap my scrunchies in. So this girl, Rosie, she ordered a orange velvet scrunchie. This is the pumpkin spice. And then she also ordered a back one. This is like part of the Halloween collection. These two are like brand new scrunchies. So she ordered these two. I'm gonna package these right now. I then always write like a little handmade note. And I've written a little note just saying thank you, like a little personalised note. I pop that underneath the scrunchies and pop them on top. Then from my business cards I take one. This is what they look like. These are super cute. Thing on the back of them that just look like this. I think they're super cute. I love them. I pop this on the top and it's time to wrap it. Then I get one of my pink mailer bags. These ones are from eBay. So I've literally had my biggest order today. She's ordered 10 scrunchies. She's already like owned all of them already. But yeah, she ordered the rest of the collection. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Like, I don't think people understand like how happy it makes me when I see that notification. I'm like, oh my god, like it's like a little happy dance. But yeah, she literally ordered 10. I have made them, so I just wanted to quickly show you what she ordered. First, she ordered the bottle green silk scrunchie. She ordered a bat scrunchie, the pumpkin spiced velvet scrunchie. This one is so nice. I love this one so much. The brown silk scrunchie. This nice purple one, which has just released not that long ago. More of the velvet, so this is the yellow one. She ordered the blue one and the grey one. One of the cow scrunchies, which is really nice. They ordered like a leopardy print pattern scrunchie. This material is really nice. It's like a mesh material. So because she has ordered so many and she has been like so supportive, like I don't even know this lady, and she's been really nice and like supportive. Make a couple of the newer ones up for her and send her a couple of ones that she doesn't own, but she basically owns like all of them. This is her order. It is massive. I literally had to pile it on. I went through it about a few times just to make sure that it was all together. I made sure it was secure, and also I did her a little parcel, so I put some tie-dye socks in there for her, and then I also put 2 more scrunchies in there. This mint one that I've literally just released, and also this one, which you'll see in a sec, is this velvet one. This is beautiful. These are for free just because of how supportive she's been, and I just really appreciate it. I wrote her this little note too, just to pop into the parcel, just so she knows why. So I also have some ambassadors. So this is for Jenna, one of my new ones. She is having a brown chocolatey scrunchie and a velvet scrunchie. These will just go and I'll send them her, and she'll just do a few posts for me on Instagram just to help promote my little business. Obviously I give them for free, and this is me ready to take these to the post office. Yeah, straight to post office, these will go. I love taking them to post office. It just makes me feel super happy that people will get them as soon as possible. Okay, I know I look grim, but this is reality. There's no point putting makeup on. I always upload on my Instagram and Facebook page, normally daily. I always take photos, and I'll show you what I actually use for my photos. I actually use a lamp which looks this bright. I always take my photos on this dressing table, obviously clear it all out, make sure I give it a good wipe over because it's white and I just love having a white background for my photos. This is the actual lamp that I use. This is actually from Amazon. It's so nice. I'll try and link it down below if I can, but I also use this to actually put over my desk to make my scrunchies whilst I'm sewing, especially if it's a little bit dark. Put a little like screen recording of my Instagram right here on the side, just because I wanted to let you know what it looks like and how I do try to make it professional. And obviously the photos that I take will be on my Etsy page, which is obviously my business website. I just quickly wanted to say this is on Etsy, so if you type in Scrunch Bunch on Etsy you'll find my page. This is what it looks like. This is where like obviously I put all my scrunchies, put the prices. This is like basically my website where people can buy everything off, and yeah, this is sort of what it looks like. And behind the scenes obviously you just add a listing. Obviously Etsy does take a percentage of the money, but you can add it so you can literally put anything you want. I think it's like 30p or something per listing, but this is what it looks like. And you can add like multiple photos. So on this bottle green silk one I've added 2 photos. I try and make it a little bit different, but I do think it does look professional. I have tried my best to make it look professional, but this is what it looks like. And this is my website, which I will leave down below if you want to have a little gander at it. But yeah, I think this is a really good website to start off on. As I said, it's just called Etsy. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was interesting to know what sort of goes on behind the scenes of a little business like mine. I have only started mine back in like when we were in quarantine. I think it was like March, like April time, so April 2020. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Probably be making some more of these a bit more in detail. This was a good video just to sort of get to grips of what goes on behind a small business. Obviously there is a lot more to it, down to like ordering supplies, where I get them from and everything like that. But again, like I will be making another video in the future. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new and you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.